Hey everyone, enjoy the show. What's up, Mantiques Network? How you doing today? I've got something for you barbershop collectors and shops out there. This is a flange sign for, I believe it's PASTUM hair paste. Again, this would be mounted on a wall. If you could take a look over here, it's the flange. It's got great content. Let me see if I can bend it over. It is double-sided, so you can see what you get. So like in a hallway or as you're walking into a business. So if you are a barbershop and looking for some vintage advertising, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.